Do you want to burn fat, build muscle, and boost your cardio all at once? The solution isn't a high-tech machine or spending endless hours at the gym, it's the burpee. This solo simple exercise can transform your entire fitness routine. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about burpees and why they should be a staple in your workout plan. Ready to crush it? Let's go. At first number, let's start with introduction. Why burpees? Burpees. You love them or hate them. They're one of the most effective full-body exercises you can do. But what exactly makes them so powerful? Well, burpees engage almost every muscle group in your body, from your legs to your core to your arms. And the best part is, you can do them anywhere. No equipment required. In this video, we're breaking down the burpee step by step, and I'll show you how you can use them to get fitter, faster, and stronger. Let's jump right in. Number 2, how to do a perfect burpee, step by step. Okay, let's start. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Make sure your knees are slightly bent and your core is engaged. Now, drop into a squat and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Jump your feet back so you're in a plank position. From here, push up into a push-up. Or if you're a beginner, you can skip the push-up and just hold the plank for a second. Then, jump your feet back toward your hands, stand up tall, and jump into the air with your arms reaching above your head. That's 1 rep. Focus on keeping your movements controlled. Don't rush it. Doing them with proper form is key to getting the most out of every rep. Number 3, burpees for cardio and full body strength. Burpees are a cardio powerhouse and a strength builder all in one. Every time you jump, squat, and push up, you're working your arms, chest, core, and legs simultaneously. This combination of strength and cardio makes burpees one of the best moves for boosting your metabolism and torching calories. Whether you want to burn fat or build muscle, burpees have you covered. Add them to your routine and you'll notice improvements in your endurance and strength in no time. Number 4, the benefits of burpees. Why should you incorporate burpees into your workout? First off, they are amazing for fat loss. Due to the intensity of the movement, burpees help you burn calories long after your workout is over. Second, they're great for improving coordination and balance, since they involve multiple movements in one fluid sequence. Plus, they are time efficient, so if you're short on time, burpees are a great way to get a full body workout in just a few minutes. Start adding just a few burpees to your routine today and feel the difference. Your body will thank you. Number 5, variations of burpees. Not ready for the full burpee yet? No problem. You can modify the burpee to fit your fitness level. For a beginner version, you can skip the push-up and simply step back into the plank position instead of jumping. If you're more advanced, try a burpee with a tuck jump or add a push-up between each squat. The options are endless. Just pick what works for you and build up from there. Don't be afraid to start at your level and progress as you get stronger. Every rep counts. Number 6, how to incorporate burpees into your workout. So how can you make burpees a part of your workout? You can either do them as a standalone move or integrate them into your circuit or HIIT workouts. For example, try doing 10 burpees, followed by 30 seconds of rest, and repeat for 5 rounds. Or mix them in with other bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and mountain climbers for a full-body circuit that will push your endurance and strength. The key is consistency. Add burpees to your routine a few times a week, and you'll see major improvements in your strength, speed, and overall fitness. Number 7, common mistakes to avoid. Burpees may look easy, but there are a few common mistakes to watch before start burpee. First, don't let your lower back sag when you're in the plank position. Engage your core and keep your body straight. Second, avoid rounding your shoulders when jumping or reaching up. Keep your chest open and proud. Lastly, don't rush through the movement. Quality is better than quantity. Remember, perfect form is more important than speed. Focus on doing each rep correctly for maximum results. Number 8, ready to get started? Burpees might seem tough at first, but they're incredibly rewarding, and the more you practice, the easier they'll get. If you're looking to improve your cardio, boost strength, and burn fat, adding burpees to your workout routine is one of the best choices you can make. So what are you waiting for? Get started today, and remember to take it 1 burpee at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness tips and workouts. Drop a comment below if you're ready to crush your burpees today.